This wonderful soup is made from just a few simple ingredients. Caramelized onions and a combination of chicken and beef broth give this soup its rich flavor. This short video will show you just how easy it is. Peel your onions and slice them thin. You can certainly use a mandolin or a food processor to slice them. You'll need about 7 cups of thinly sliced onions. One of the things I love about this soup is that it can be made ahead of time and frozen. I typically make a double batch. Then when my occasion arises, I simply have to thaw it, heat it, ladle it into bowls, and top with a crouton and Swiss cheese. Add the butter, oil, and onions to a stock pot. Heat over medium heat, stirring often for 20 to 30 minutes. In a separate saucepan, bring both broths to a simmer. When your onions are caramelized to a rich golden brown, mine took about 25 minutes, stir in the flour mix, and then add the hot broth. Then return the pot to low heat and simmer, partially covered, for another 40 to 50 minutes. Meanwhile, for the croutons, you'll need your day-old bread, olive oil, a whole garlic clove, and either grated or sliced Swiss cheese. Using a pastry brush or even your fingers, brush both sides of the bread with olive oil and place them on a baking sheet. Bake at 325 degrees for 15 minutes, then turn the bread and bake another 15 minutes. When the bread is cool enough to handle, rub each slice with your garlic clove. When you're ready to serve your soup, ladle the hot soup into oven-proof bowls. Top with a crouton and grated cheese. Bake in a preheated 375-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes or until your cheese has melted. And then you're ready to serve this impressive and satisfying course. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to receive more family heirloom recipes like this one.